Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to use YouTube Analytics to improve your channel, or you can call it leveraging YouTube Analytics to enhance your channel. You see, YouTube Analytics is a treasure trove of data that can provide valuable insights into your channel's performance. By understanding and utilizing this information, you can make informed decisions to improve your content strategy and attract a larger audience. Now, here are the key metrics for you to track. 1. Views. The total number of times your videos have been watched are referred to as views. Next, we have what is called watch time. This is the cumulative duration viewers spend watching your videos. This is a crucial metric for YouTube algorithm. Next, we have what is called audience retention. The percentage of viewers who watch your videos until the end are categorized under audience retention. Next, we have engagement, that is the number of likes, comments, and shares your videos received. Next, we have demographics. Here you can get information about your viewers, including their age, gender, and location. Next, we have traffic sources. That is how viewers are finding your videos. It can be through search, through recommendations, or through external links. Now, let's look at the actionable insights from analytics. It helps you to analyze and identify top performing content. You see, it analyzes which videos has the highest watch time, audience retention, and engagement. It also shows what makes this video successful so that you can replicate these elements in future videos. Number 2 is to understand your audience. When you dive into the demographics and interests of your viewers, this information will help you to tailor your content to resonate with your target audience. The next thing is to optimize video performance. Thumbnails and titles. Experiment with different thumbnails and titles to see which ones attract the most click. Then, video length. Determine the optimal video length for your audience and call to action. Encourage viewers to like, comment, subscribe, and share your videos. Also, improve SEO. Analyze which keywords viewers use to find your videos. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve search visibility. Also, monitor your trends. You see, you need to keep an eye on trending topics and formats to stay relevant and to attract new viewers. There are some tools and resources in YouTube Analytics that you need to be aware of. One of them is YouTube Analytics itself, which helps you to access detailed analytics within YouTube Studio. We also have what is called Google Trends, helps you to identify trending topics and search terms. Then we also have third-party tools. Now you need to consider using third-party tools like vidIQ or TubeBuddy for more advanced analytics and optimization features. By constantly monitoring your YouTube Analytics and using the data to refine your content strategy, you can increase your channel's visibility, attract a loyal audience, and achieve your YouTube goals. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like, subscribe to this channel, ring the notification bell, and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.